Hi Suspicious Squad, this is Mr. Suspicious. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Nakano Miku from the Quintessential Quintuplets. I ordered her from Solar Japan for roughly $200. And I'm in the middle of watching the anime, and it was so good that I immediately want to get a figure from the series of Best Girl Miku. And I like how Solaris extra packed it. Bubble wrap, and then a bag around the box that's extra secure. And now we're gonna do a little cut here. And here is a first look of the box. Really beautiful artwork. And I love how they have like a big picture of her on the box. And it has two face plates to choose from, as well as some shoes. That's very neat. And let's free her from the box. This is my first figure that I bought where you can change out the face panel. Let me carefully free her from that and put that to the side. And get her out of the blister packaging. And let's carefully cut with my knife here. Well, my so-called knife of so-called doom. Let's get her, and we're gonna put her over here where I find the last bit out. Ah, it's a tape, I knew that. And then I'm gonna put my trusty knife away. And here's the so-called guide to change out the parts. And here is the so-called desk. And I'm gonna put her accessories and other stuff away to the side here. And we're going to cut. And it's time to do everyone's favorite part of the video, B-roll. Okay, what I like about the figure is that the base isn't plain. We all have seen the white, plain, generic base. But instead it is a tile with a desk on top. I like how the pose is cute yet sexy. And I also like that she came with some accessories. A con of this figure is that I feel like I overpaid for her because I ordered at the last minute. Yet again, the price came with shipping through FedEx, which was very quick. And I also didn't like that the second base plate doesn't really match her character, in my opinion. And let me show you with the shoes on. And here she is with her shoe on and the other one on the ground. Let me know in the comments on, do you like her more with her shoe on or with the shoes off? I'm personally leaning towards without them on. And please consider liking, subscribing, because I know that approximately 2/3 of you are not subscribed. And if you like my content, please consider giving a like and perhaps a comment. And if you want, you can follow me on Twitter and Discord. And I'm planning on doing some activities for my Discord community soon. Hopefully I can see you guys there. If not, that's cool too. And I hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching.